Hello and welcome to my channel. We're all about the law of attraction here and making your dreams a reality. If this is your first time, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. A viewer recently messaged me saying, I practice the law of attraction every day, writing my wishes, meditating, being grateful, but nothing changes. And I'm just getting more anxious. I could feel her frustration. It's that feeling of, I'm trying so hard, so why isn't it working? This is a common hurdle. We learn to believe, we learn to feel, but we often get stuck on the next step, action. The law of attraction isn't just about wishing, it's a flow. Thought gives emotion, gives action, gives result. The first two stages prepare the energy, but action is what makes it real. Think of it this way. When you take action, you give the universe a GPS coordinate. If you ask for a happy relationship but spend all your time at work and never open up to meeting new people, the universe gets confused. Action, even a small one, sends a clear signal. You have to participate in creating your wish. When you move, energy moves with you. True action isn't about exhausting yourself. It's about aligning with your desire. It feels light and right. Maybe it's smiling at a stranger or taking 5 minutes for yourself. These small shifts tell the universe, I'm ready. Taking action is the ultimate proof of your trust. When you take that first small step, you're not just asking the universe for help, you're